Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili sauce easy. Let's begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh red chili peppers, a few cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. For the liquid components, have 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt ready. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious homemade sauce, and having them prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the preparation. First, thoroughly wash your chili peppers and remove their stems. Then, roughly chop them into smaller pieces. Next, peel and mince your garlic and ginger. Once everything is prepped, transfer all the ingredients into your food processor or blender. Blend the mixture until it forms a smooth, uniform paste. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture for your chili sauce, ensuring all the flavors are well incorporated. With your blended mixture ready, it's time to cook. Carefully pour the chili paste into a saucepan. Place it on your stovetop and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. You'll want to cook the sauce for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally to prevent sticking. During this time, the flavors will meld beautifully, and the sauce will naturally thicken, developing a richer color and a more complex taste that you'll absolutely love. Finally, let's talk about cooling and storage. Once your chili sauce has finished cooking, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool down entirely to room temperature. This step is important for safety and flavor. After it's cool, carefully spoon the sauce into clean, airtight jars. You can store your delicious homemade chili sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for adding a spicy kick to almost any meal, so enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.